everybody, welcome back to my channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to paint again on this amazing painting. We are going to add details to the birds and we are going to paint some realistic leaves on it, and I am so excited to paint on this. So let's get started. Let me take out colors on my palette. Till then you can subscribe my channel to watch more art videos. So today's first step is to paint dark leaves using Persian blue and green paint, and then I will be providing details to every leaf individually. Let me paint few leaves to show you what kind of result we are looking for. Then quickly I will let you know how to paint these. And guys, it's looking amazing. So guys, now we know what kind of leaves we are going to paint today. So let me tell you how to paint these. For this, you need to paint burnt sienna from center towards the corners. You can paint red or orange shade for this also. But you need to remember that we need to paint from center of the leaf towards the corner. In the similar manner, then we need to paint light green and yellow from center towards the corners. Not on the full leaf, on some parts of the leaf. As you can already see, leaves are really looking realistic now. You can paint white and sap green on some places also from center towards the corners to make it more realistic. Now the final thing, let's paint veins of leaves using mix-up of white and yellow. Wow, these leaves are looking amazing. Also we need to draw outline of leaves using same shade to make them more realistic and stand out. It's so easy guys. Now let's paint all other leaves using same technique. The technique is paint with burnt sienna, light green and yellow from center towards the corner, then draw veins over it and outline the leaf using lemon yellow and white. For painting branch, put touches of burnt sienna and white paint on the black in the background. Let's quickly finish all the leaves, and also guys, let me tell you, if you have not watched the first two parts of this video, then go and check them out. In those I started this painting and started providing details to the fruits. And guys, you all are really my power source to create good content, so you can give me ideas, challenges on which you want me to paint. So provide me challenges in the comment section, and the next video is also going to be a challenge, so stay tuned. So guys, as I'm done with the leaves, now let's paint bluebird, starting with black eye of bluebird, a white ring around it and a white dot in it. Let us paint orange and burnt sienna on her stomach and blue paint in her wings. This blue is cyan blue and cerulean blue, both on some places, nothing fixed. So now using a dry brush, I am providing details to her stomach and feather by drawing these small lines everywhere. These must be very soft, painted with very small pressure on the brush. These small details are really going to make your bird look more realistic and outstanding. So now I am going to paint wings and tail of the bird. For this, first we need to outline the rump, wings and tail. Then we can paint inside these using mix-up of white and cyan blue. As I'm done with this, so now I am adding details to her stomach and neck using white paint, and I am again using the dry brush and using same technique with very little pressure. I am painting this, and guys, bird is now ready. It's looking super soft and cute. So let's paint both other birds using same method. So let's quickly paint. Guys, for complete tutorial you can refer to links in description for part 1 and part 2 of this scenery painting, in which I have explained each and every part and each and every color that I am using. So don't forget to check them out. So guys, my both birds are now ready, and with the details to this basket I am going to sign this painting. And guys, it's looking amazing. What do you think? So guys, my painting is now ready and I am really liking the result. It's amazing. I hope you too like it. Today I started painting at 9 o'clock and now it's 6:30. I have been painting for so long and I am completely tired now. And one thing that kept me going throughout the day is I have to complete this video for you guys no matter what. So today I am providing you a challenge of 1k likes on this video, and I am pretty sure that you people are going to complete this. So like this video and share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe this channel for watching such more art videos, cause I promise I'll keep bringing such amazing content for you guys. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and you are amazing. Thank you for your support.